sat upon a big screen seater, sequin-coloured ice cream, big shout, cherries in the back stall thrown out, so much for the cat go. Nothing to do, stand around here, playing with my cue ball. Nothing to do.
I Nine Below Zero sono una blues band inglese nata nel 1977 durante il periodo punk, che ha saputo, grazie alla bravura dei suoi membri, ritagliarsi sempre maggior spazio nel panorama musicale internazionale. Diventata una delle icone del blues, la band composta da Mark Feltham, Dennis Graves, Mickey Barkey e Brian Battle, dopo 5 anni di continue scalate verso il successo, decise di separarsi. Ogni membro intraprese una carriera diversa, ma la loro passione non li ha mai abbandonati, riportandoli a suonare insieme dopo tutto questo tempo. How was to play together again?
Well, it's fantastic. The story is quite an extraordinary one, really. Dennis and I have been together since 1977. And Mickey, our original drummer, who's here tonight for the Italian public to see, Mickey left to find a career outside of music. But we were playing a club in London about 4 years ago, and there was a guy come into the club, and it was our drummer that we'd worked with 30 years before. And our own drummer at the time was moving on to other things, and we said to him, "Do you still play, you know?" And he said, "Not really, I haven't played for a long time." So
played for 30 years.
So we went to his house to see him and have a chat, and he got on the drums, and he was fantastic. Yeah. After all that time. So he's back with us.
It's like divorcing your first wife, okay? Marrying your second wife, divorcing your second wife, and going back with your first wife.
Since you are used to playing in higher usual place, what would you do tonight? How will you perform tonight?
The blues was was born in the clubs, wasn't it? So I think it's no problem to take it back to its roots. So clubs like this we love, and we love big venues when we play festivals, but I think the blues is very comfortable here, so we will adapt.
Last night I lost the best friend I've ever had. Now she gone and left me, and that make me feel so bad.
Have you found some difference in the playing the blues again? Do you find the way of playing blues?
Yeah, with this original lineup, yeah. When we had we had an Irish rhythm section from Rory Gallagher, and they were more rock. So 9 Below Zero were different. So we had 9 Below Zero in the beginning, London blues band, energy, power. Then we had the Irish influence from the Rory Gallagher band, and now we have our original band back together, but with more maturity, and it's really exciting. And we've just made a new record with the new lineup. I can't tell you, it just feels very, very comfortable to have these people back in your life. It's very nice, musically and socially.
thank you. You mentioned your new album. Could you tell us about that?
We want to condense it to 12, 13, but we've taken our time. But what we have done is we have 4-piece brass, we have Hammond organ, we have piano, we have violin, and we have a girl singer. We've made the band big.
Opened it.
Yeah, it's a new, very new project. We're very excited. So it's not even got a title yet, so it's early days.
What are your connections with Italy? Do you like Italy? Have you come here before?
We actually
1980.
we actually are very fond of coming here. There's not many UK acts come to Italy. There's a lot of American blues artists that come over here via Slang Music and Giancarlo, our agent. But there's not many British acts come here, and I think I'm right to say this. I think Dennis will agree that we were one of the first British blues acts to come in here 15, 20 years ago. We've been enjoying.
35 years ago.
Did we play here?
36 years ago.
Did we come here that long? Okay.
We came to Milan and Rome.
There you go.
And we fell in love with
That was
Italy.
35 years
And
ago.
Italy fell in love with 900. Italian people love British rhythm and blues. We love your culture. We love the food, the wine, the cheese, the grappa. Tonight we're going to try the grappa.
And you've got some very good musicians here as well.
Christ,
You've got some great blues players here. We've met many people and played with some great Italian musicians.
Mark
here.
played with Zucchero
I did.
for 6 months to a year.
No, 18 months. You have some wonderful blues players here. Wonderful blues players.
Hannah told Maddie about a thing she saw. A two big horn, a wooden jaw, woolly bully. Ah, woolly bully. Woolly bully, woolly bully, woolly bully. Gracias, thank you.